What if I told you saving energy could save you a ton of money? Here's how. Energy efficiency means using less energy to get the same results, and it's a win-win for everyone. First up, economic savings. By using less energy, you lower your bills at home and at work. Plus, it creates jobs in fields like construction and manufacturing. Next, let's talk about the environment. Energy efficiency cuts down on greenhouse gases and air pollution by reducing the need for energy production. This helps fight climate change and saves our natural resources. Then there's energy security. Using energy more efficiently means we rely less on imported fuels, making us more resilient during supply disruptions. And don't forget about technology. Innovations like smart grids, LED lighting, and electric vehicles are not only cool but also reduce overall energy demand. Finally, energy-efficient buildings improve comfort and air quality. That means better health and lower energy costs, especially for low-income households. So, let's get smart about energy use. Save money, save the planet, and live better, one energy-efficient step at a time.